Well, because you caused the scene here, right?
Caused the scene about what?
And there's a battery claim, okay?
A battery claim about what?
About you striking an individual, one of your neighbors. I don't know off the top of my head. There's two options there, okay? Number one, you can comply with us. You're going to get a citation.
About what? What did I do?
I just told you already.
What did I do?
You battered your neighbor.
Battered on how?
By kicking them
Okay.
in the groin.
No, I don't know.
Okay?
Okay, here's how it's gonna go. We're gonna get your ID. You're gonna get a citation for battery.
On October 16th, 2025, officers in a Chicago area apartment building responded to a lockout dispute. The primary officer offered the subject a citation. She left the building in handcuffs, facing a felony charge. This analysis explains how a Class A misdemeanor became a Class 2 felony in the span of 3 minutes.
Also, super suburban.
What did you say?
I'm trying to get to my apartment.
You're locked up?
No, my boyfriend's in there, and I can't get in.
Okay, what's his name?
Sean.
Sean, we guys arguing?
Yeah, you know.
Okay. What's your name? My name is Brennan.
Oh, great. You can let him know that I want to get inside.
Okay. Can we figure out what's going on first?
Sean, can you please let me in?
How about talk to me? We'll figure it out. We'll figure that out.
Where did you guys come from?
What do you mean? Where did we come from?
What,
Well, somebody called because you're banging on the door.
Because I was banging onto my own door.
Yeah, it's loud. You got neighbors.
Okay.
Okay. What was going on with you and your boyfriend?
Nothing.
You said you were arguing.
I'm trying to get inside.
I get that. But
Yeah.
if there's something going on between you guys, I don't want you to go back inside. You stop knocking.
Please stop knocking. I
Yeah.
don't think you need to be here in the first place.
Well, apparently I do. People called because they were concerned.
One person. Someone who's afraid. White trash.
How'd all that start? Like, how can we help you with that?
Well,
Because
just to get inside.
you don't have a key, or
He has me.
okay. Is it just like a fob?
Yeah, it's just a phone.
Gotcha. How long has this been going on for? How did it all start?
They came up and they were.
No. Before that, with you and your boyfriend, before you ended up in the hallway.
No, they came up and they were being confrontational.
Okay. Why were they doing that?
They seemed aggressive because they were drunk.
Okay. But just for no reason, or like, what's the reason? Because normally people don't just come up and.
Because they were acting like, oh, your dog is loud and you're loud, and so they're being.
Okay. So they were mad because you were banging on the door. Hello? They were mad because you were banging on the door?
Banging on the door of my own apartment to get inside?
No, I'm asking you a question.
Yeah, I was trying to get inside.
Okay. But how did you end up outside?
My boyfriend went inside and he passed out.
And he locked you out?
Well, he's got the key and I don't.
Okay. But why did he go in and not let you in?
He went in and passed out.
Okay.
Is that not the thing?
Well, I'm just seeing if an argument went on or something.
No, he went inside, he had the key, he went inside without me, and he
Okay.
had the key and...
Hello, I'm the property manager. How are you?
Hello, can I talk to you in a few minutes?
Yeah, that's fine.
If you want to go that way or that way, let me just talk to her.
Okay, because I'm gonna have to be the one that lets her in, so just let me know.
Okay, sounds good.
So stupid.
Maybe we should have 2 keys.
Maybe you should go figure something else out that's more problematic than this.
Well, if you did something to one of your neighbors, then
I did not do anything to one of my neighbors.
we're going to figure that out.
Oh, are we?
Yeah?
Yeah. Maybe you should go figure actually something out that's a problem.
I mean, you kind of seem like the problem right now.
Oh, do I?
Seem intoxicated. Seem like you have an issue with your neighbor.
I think if you went to school for something wrong, then you need to go to figure that out.
That's what I'm doing.
No, you're not.
What am I doing?
You're figuring something out with a girl.
Correct. Correct.
Oh, so glad you went to school for that.
Correct.
You little. Good. That's great.
That's good.
Glad you went to school for that.
I sure did.
Yeah. Worth it. Worth
It
it.
was worth it.
Worth it. What is the deal?
What do you mean?
What, you guys are really trying to do something?
I already told you.
What?
I told you what we're doing.
What?
What do you mean what?
Tell me.
Did you forget?
Tell me.
Did you forget?
Tell me.
I did.
Tell me.
I told you why we're here.
Tell me.
I did.
Tell me again.
Why?
Tell me.
I'm just wondering why. If I already-
No, because you have nothing to tell me.
I did tell you.
You have a little problem and you have nothing to tell me.
Okay. I feel like you don't remember. You're
No,
drunk.
you didn't tell me.
I said.
No, I'm pretty lucid right now. You can tell me what happened.
Okay, why are you slurring your speech?
I'm not slurring at all.
Why you gotta lean up against the wall?
Because I'm trying to get into my own apartment. I'm not leaning or slurring, but thank you for trying to call that out.
Just have it. Just get your ID to make sure before I. Yeah, we'll verify all that. Okay. Hey,
I don't even
Jessica.
know I'm part of this right now.
Hey, Jessica. So, you have an ID in there?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, because what I can do is I'm working with management to get you into your apartment. This is your apartment.
Why is this a thing?
Well, because you caused the scene here, right?
caused the scene about what?
And there's a battery claim, okay?
A battery claim about what?
About you striking an individual, one of your neighbors. I don't know off the top of my head, okay?
Oh, tell me then.
Do you want help getting into your apartment or not?
No, I don't.
Do you want no help getting into your
I
apartment?
want you to tell me who I battered.
One of your neighbors.
Okay, well, if you can't tell me who, then I don't give a.
Okay, your neighbor next door, right? That was trying to help you when you barged into his place, okay?
I didn't barge into
Okay,
anyone's place.
so look, we're trying to help you out here, okay? I'm trying to get you back into your apartment, and that way we can all be
My
on our way.
boyfriend's already in there, so you don't have to help me.
Good. It doesn't seem like he's letting you in.
Okay, cool, let me in there, don't worry.
I'll just get an image.
Yeah. You give me permission to go home for the day?
I don't give a what you do for the day.
Okay.
I know you're trying to do something, I don't give a.
Well, what's gonna happen here is,
Oh, what's gonna happen here?
well, there's two options here, okay? Number one, you can comply with us, you're gonna get a citation.
About what? What did I do?
I just told you already.
What did I do?
You battered your neighbor.
What did I do to my neighbor?
You battered them
Battered them how?
by kicking them
Okay.
in the groin.
No, I did not.
Okay?
Okay, here's how it's gonna go. We're gonna get your ID. You're gonna get a citation for battery. That's gonna be it. If you don't want to comply, I can take you to jail for battery, and I can fingerprint
I have nothing.
you. Okay. You want to sign complaints?
Yeah.
Okay.
The Illinois battery statute sets a deliberately low threshold for criminal liability. Under 720 Illinois compiled statutes, Section 512-3, battery requires only knowing conduct. The prohibited act is either causing bodily harm or making physical contact of an insulting or provoking nature. No visible injury is required. A single unwelcome contact, made knowingly, satisfies the statute. Probable cause for that offense is measured under the totality of the circumstances test. The Supreme Court established this framework in Illinois v. Gates, decided in 1983. Three factors converged here: an on-scene neighbor complaint, admitted presence, and observable impairment. Those factors together satisfied the probable cause standard for a warrantless misdemeanor arrest. Under Atwater v. Lago Vista, 2001, an officer may arrest for any offense supported by probable cause. This includes minor misdemeanors. The Fourth Amendment does not require officers to issue a citation instead. Offering the citation is discretionary. It is a de-escalation choice, not a constitutional requirement. When the subject declined that citation, custodial arrest became the only remaining lawful pathway. Illinois then criminalizes resistance to arrest under Section 31-1 of the Criminal Code. Resisting a peace officer requires a physical act. Verbal protest, however hostile, is not enough. The Illinois Supreme Court settled this in People v. Villarreal, decided in 1992. Pulling one's arms away from an officer attempting to apply handcuffs is such a physical act. Critically, Illinois rejects the defense that the underlying arrest was somehow unlawful. A person's remedy for a wrongful arrest is the courtroom, not the hallway.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
I have nothing to do about that
Stop pulling away. Stop.
Oops, hold on. Stop.
Stop it.
People are still
guy. You guys are a bunch of losers.
51 in custody.
A bunch of losers.
Stop. Okay.
Get the off! Get off of me! No!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it good?
We're good now.
Really? This is what you guys have to do? You guys are a bunch of losers. This is what you guys have to do on this night. What a bunch of losers. Bunch of losers. This is what you have to do. Bunch of pussy. This is what you have to work on. What a bunch of losers.
You guys good?
Yeah. Can we just walk?
No. You're what? What is this for?
For battery.
For battery for what?
For battering your neighbor.
I never touched my neighbor. Maybe I touched you guys, but not my neighbor. No, stop.
You just fucking move.
I didn't touch my neighbor.
Okay. Now you're getting an egg out of your church.
Come on.
Are you done?
We're turning this into a felony. This is what you want?
The final elevation is aggravated battery under Section 12-3.05, subsection D, paragraph 4. That statute converts an ordinary misdemeanor battery into a Class 2 felony when the victim is a peace officer. 3 elements are required: knowing physical contact, peace officer status, and official duties being performed. A Class 2 felony in Illinois carries a sentencing range of 3 to 7 years in state prison. The alleged knee strike to the officer's groin, if proven, satisfies every element of that offense. Force used to effect the arrest is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, 1989. The standard is objective reasonableness from the perspective of an officer on the scene. Relevant factors include offense severity, immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. A decentralization technique, used to control an actively pulling subject, remains within reasonable force parameters. One separate constitutional issue deserves attention. Profanity directed at police is protected speech. The Supreme Court held this expressly in City of Houston v. Hill, decided in 1987. The officers correctly declined to treat coarse language as a basis for arrest. The arrest rested on conduct.
Get this off me. I never touched my neighbor. Get this. What is wrong with you guys?
Stand up. Stand up. Right now.
No.
Stand the up. You good?
Yeah. Let's drag her back.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Stop. I didn't touch my neighbor.
Just
What are you
stand
guys?
up.
Stand up.
Why didn't you touch my neighbor? What are you guys doing right now?
Let's go. Stand up. Come on.
What are you doing?
You're going to jail.
Yeah.
I didn't touch my
You
neighbor.
did, and then you need me in the groin too.
No,
Yes.
I did
Let's
not.
go. Come on.
Are you guys kidding right now? Can I pay a fine?
No. No, you can't. You're going to jail.
I didn't I didn't touch my neighbor.
Okay. How many charges do you want?
Why are you guys doing this?
You got battery, ag bat, resisting, obstructing.
Okay, so why are you guys like jerking off to this right now?
I'm not. I
Yeah, you are actually. What is the deal?
I would much
I
rather
didn't
not
do-
be doing any of this.
I didn't do anything to you
Okay.
guys, and I didn't do anything to my neighbor. Are you kidding me right now? I have to worry about my dog?
Your boyfriend's home, right? He'll take care of the dog.
Oh, because you guys are too afraid to take care of actual real felons. Yeah. Oh, yeah, let's take care of the white girl instead of an actual real felon, you. There you go. Yeah. Oh, you guys look so cool walking me out here. Oh my god, what a bunch of losers. I didn't hit any of it. You said I did.
Police. Sit in the seat. Come on.
Shut the up, you fat. You're a fat. And I don't like you.
Okay.
Yeah.
On the grades. The primary officer earns a B+ for offering the citation and issuing clear commands before force. The subject earns a D. Every escalation point was initiated by her after a lawful off-ramp had been offered. The responding department earns a B for procedurally sound handling, with room to improve public transparency. 4 lessons carry beyond this case. First, an on-scene witness complaint of battery generally establishes probable cause. Second, in Illinois, physical resistance to arrest is a separate crime, regardless of the arrest's ultimate validity. Third, any knowing physical contact with an officer during a lawful arrest is a Class 2 felony, not a misdemeanor. Fourth, refusing a discretionary citation eliminates the least intrusive lawful outcome that was ever on offer. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.